The 60-second driver.
A collision with a wild animal can be catastrophic. You and your family could be seriously hurt and your car could be wrecked.
To lessen your chances of being involved in a wildlife collision, be alert and slow down when you see an animal crossing sign. Animals can be found anywhere, even within the city. Peak wildlife times are from dusk to dawn in the fall. If you see an animal on the road, slow down and brake firmly to avoid or minimize a collision. Avoid swerving, as this can cause a more serious collision.
If a collision is unavoidable, your number one concern after the crash should be to protect yourself.
Move your vehicle off the road. You should never approach an injured animal. It could hurt you or itself while trying to escape. Call your local road authority to remove the animal.
And remember, wearing your seatbelt is one of the best ways to prevent injury in any collision.
Brought to you by Manitoba Public Insurance and CTV.